Hello everyone, welcome back to English Meets Animals. I'm so happy you're here for episode 2 of our Learn English with Snakes series. In our first episode, we explored some incredible snakes from around the world. Today, we're going to meet 4 more fascinating snakes that are very different from each other. You'll learn where they live, their scientific names, what makes them special, and some amazing facts that many people don't know. But that's not all. As your English teacher, I'll also teach you 4 or 5 new English words from each snake. We'll understand the meanings, make easy American English sentences, and then I'll ask you to repeat after me so you can practice speaking with confidence. So, are you ready? Take a deep breath, smile, and let's improve our English together while discovering the amazing world of snakes. Let's get started. Snake 1. Green Anaconda. Now, let's learn about our first snake today, the Green Anaconda. The Green Anaconda is one of the largest and heaviest snakes in the world. Its scientific name is Eunectes murinus. It lives in South America, especially in countries like Brazil, Venezuela, Colombia, Peru, and Bolivia. This giant snake spends most of its life in rivers, swamps, marshes, and slow-moving water because it is an excellent swimmer. Unlike venomous snakes, the green anaconda does not use venom to catch its food. Instead, it wraps its strong body around its prey and slowly squeezes it before swallowing it whole. Although it looks frightening, it usually stays away from people and attacks only if it feels threatened. Here's an interesting fact. The green anaconda can stay underwater for up to 10 minutes while waiting for its prey. Its eyes and nostrils are located on the top of its head, allowing it to see and breathe while the rest of its body remains hidden beneath the water. Female green anacondas are also much larger than males, which is unusual among snakes. Now, let's learn 5 new English words from today's lesson. Our first word is swamp. A swamp is a wet area of land with lots of water and plants. Listen to this sentence. The green anaconda lives in a swamp. Now, repeat after me, the green anaconda lives in a swamp. Our second word is powerful, which means very strong. Listen carefully, the green anaconda has a powerful body. Now, repeat after me, the green anaconda has a powerful body. The third word is prey. Prey is an animal that another animal hunts for food. Here's the sentence. The snake waits quietly for its prey. Now, repeat after me, the snake waits quietly for its prey. Our fourth word is squeeze, which means to press something tightly. Listen, the anaconda can squeeze its prey. Now repeat after me, the anaconda can squeeze its prey. Our final word is underwater, which means below the surface of the water. Listen to the sentence, the green anaconda can stay underwater for many minutes. Now repeat after me, the green anaconda can stay underwater for many minutes. Excellent work! You have just learned some amazing facts about the green anaconda and practiced 5 useful English words. Keep speaking with me, and your English will become stronger every day. Now, let's move on to our next fascinating snake. Snake 2, Boomslang. Now, let's move on to our second snake today, the Boomslang. The boomslang is one of the most fascinating tree snakes in Africa. Its scientific name is Dysphaletus typus. This beautiful snake is found in many parts of sub-Saharan Africa, including South Africa, Kenya, Tanzania, Zimbabwe, and Botswana. It spends most of its life high up in trees and bushes, where it hunts birds, lizards, frogs, and small animals. The boomslang has excellent eyesight, allowing it to spot prey from a long distance. Although it is a venomous snake, it is usually calm and shy. It rarely attacks humans unless it feels threatened or is handled. Here's an interesting fact. The boomslang has very large eyes compared to most snakes, giving it outstanding vision. It can slowly move through tree branches without making much noise, making it an excellent hunter. Its name, boomslang, comes from the Afrikaans language and simply means tree snake. Now, let's learn 5 new English words from today's lesson. Our first word is branch. A branch is a part of a tree that grows out from the trunk. Listen to this sentence. The boomslang is resting on a tree branch. Now, repeat after me. The boomslang is resting on a tree branch. Our second word is venomous, which means an animal that produces venom to defend itself or catch prey. Listen carefully. The boomslang is a venomous snake. Now, repeat after me. The boomslang is a venomous snake. The third word is vision. Vision means the ability to see. Here's the sentence. The boomslang has excellent vision. Now, repeat after me. The boomslang has excellent vision. Our fourth word is hunter, which means an animal or person that catches other animals for food. Listen, the boomslang is a skilled hunter. Now, repeat after me. The boomslang is a skilled hunter. Our final word is threatened, which means feeling in danger. Listen to the sentence. The snake attacks only when it feels threatened. Now, repeat after me. The snake attacks only when it feels threatened. Excellent work. Today, you learned some amazing facts about the boomslang and practiced 5 useful English words. Keep speaking with me, and your English will improve one sentence at a time. Snake 3, corn snake. Now, let's meet our third snake today, the corn snake. The corn snake is one of the friendliest and most popular snakes in North America. Its scientific name is Pantheraphis gutidus. It is found mainly in the southeastern United States, including states like Florida, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, and the Carolinas. Corn snakes live in forests, grasslands, farms, and abandoned buildings. They are excellent climbers and can even climb trees to search for food. They usually eat mice, rats, small birds, and lizards. Unlike many dangerous snakes, the corn snake is non-venomous, which means it does not produce venom. Instead, it catches its prey by gently wrapping around it and squeezing it before eating. Because of its calm nature, beautiful orange, red, and black patterns, and easy care, many people keep corn snakes as pets. Here's an interesting fact. Scientists believe the corn snake got its name because it was often found near cornfields and grain storage buildings where many mice lived. Farmers actually liked seeing corn snakes because they helped control the mouse population naturally. That made the corn snake a very helpful animal instead of a dangerous one. Now, let's learn 5 new English words from today's lesson. Our first word is non-venomous. It means an animal that does not produce venom. Listen to this sentence. The corn snake is non-venomous. Now, repeat after me. The corn snake is non-venomous. Our second word is climb, which means to move upward using your hands, feet, or body. Listen carefully. The corn snake can climb trees. Now, repeat after me. The corn snake can climb trees. The third word is grain. Grain means seeds like corn, wheat, or rice that people grow for food. Here's the sentence. Farmers keep grain in large storage buildings. Now, repeat after me. Farmers keep grain in large storage buildings. Our fourth word is pattern, which means a repeated design or shape. Listen, the corn snake has a beautiful pattern on its body. Now, repeat after me. The corn snake has a beautiful pattern on its body. Our final word is farmer. A farmer is a person who grows crops or raises animals. Listen to the sentence. The farmer was happy to see the corn snake. Now, repeat after me. The farmer was happy to see the corn snake. Fantastic job. Today, you learned about the friendly corn snake and practiced 5 useful English words. Remember, learning English becomes much easier when you learn through interesting animals and repeat the sentences aloud. Keep practicing with me, and let's move on to our final snake of today's lesson. Snake 4, California Kingsnake. Now, let's meet our final snake in today's lesson, the California Kingsnake. The California Kingsnake is one of the most beautiful and fascinating snakes in North America. Its scientific name is Lampropeltis california. It is found mainly in the western United States, especially in California, Arizona, Nevada, Oregon, and parts of Utah. This snake lives in deserts, grasslands, forests, rocky hills, and even near farms. It is active both during the day and at night, depending on the weather. The California kingsnake is non-venomous, which means it does not produce venom. Instead, it catches its prey by wrapping its strong body around it and gently squeezing before swallowing it whole. It eats mice, lizards, birds, eggs, and even other snakes, including some venomous ones. Here's an interesting fact. The California kingsnake is called a kingsnake because it can hunt and eat other snakes, even dangerous venomous snakes like rattlesnakes. Scientists believe it has a natural resistance to rattlesnake venom, making it one of the most fearless snakes in North America. Even though it is a powerful hunter, it is usually calm around humans and is a popular pet because of its beautiful black and white banded pattern. Now, let's learn 5 new English words from today's lesson. Our first word is desert. A desert is a very dry area that receives very little rain. Listen to this sentence. The California kingsnake lives in the desert. Now, repeat after me. The California kingsnake lives in the desert. Our second word is resistance, which means the ability to fight against or not be harmed by something. Listen carefully. The snake has resistance to rattlesnake venom. Now, repeat after me. The snake has resistance to rattlesnake venom. The third word is banded. Banded means having stripes or bands of different colors. Here's the sentence. The California kingsnake has a black and white banded body. Now, repeat after me. The California kingsnake has a black and white banded body. Our fourth word is hunter, which means an animal that catches other animals for food. Listen, the California kingsnake is a skilled hunter. Now, repeat after me. The California kingsnake is a skilled hunter. Our final word is fearless, which means not afraid or very brave. Listen to the sentence. The California kingsnake is a fearless snake. Now, repeat after me. The California kingsnake is a fearless snake. If you enjoyed today's lesson and want to learn more English in a fun and easy way through amazing animals, don't forget to subscribe to English Meets Animals and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new episode. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and let me know in the comments which animal you'd like to learn about next. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing your English every day, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye, and have a wonderful day.